Here it goes. It's finna go to the top. Watch it. There it go. Why? Oh! Put it back on the track. There it go. Good job. Good job. It got the pop of the woolly then. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Let's try it one more time. See what happens. We're going over the levee. Okay. Oh, we made it. We about to do a flip. 2 flips. Oh, that's where it got us at, ain't it? There we go. Here we come. Watch it. There we go. There we go. It went across the top. Oh, it made it. It made it. It's hard to hit that curve. Say, hey, you want to see it? You want to see it? Good job. There you go. Let's see if we'll make it go down next time. You did good, man. Catch it, it's running. There we go. Here we go. Here we go, sissy. Sis, you gotta let her go. There you go. Yeah. It hit that corner, it tends to go on its own. Is that fun? I think she like it. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, it's going sideways now. Uh-oh. Is this going upside down? It's still trying to get somewhere. There it go. Let it go. Let it go. Here we go. You gonna go the other way this time? I think it's gonna stop you try to go that way. Uh-oh, see what happens. Uh-oh, it went under the bottom. It gets stuck right there. It can't go no further. You gotta turn it the other way. You just holding the tires. Look at you seeing her pushing them out the way. She's like, man, you messing up the flow. I want to see it do something. You gotta go this way to get it out. That way, we can do it like this. She took it and about to take off running. We can make it longer. You want to make it longer? Well, here you go. Here you go. It's still going to do it. There you go. Let's watch it. Watch it, sissy. Uh-oh, it went to the bottom. Here it go. It's going to turn a flip. 1, 2. It keep hitting that corner. We need to make that corner wider, don't we? Let's make it wider. You want to make it wider? Kids are fun. With your grandbabies, they even funner to be around. What are you doing sitting on the track? She's finna go get the... Come on, let's rebuild it. Hold on.